Hello, you all, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back to my channel. Here on Kima's Tips, we discuss work from home job leads, passive income streams, and side hustles. So, as you can read in the title, today I have a side hustle for notaries. I say notary specifically, but other people can do it as well. And it is with the company Veritex Legal Solutions, and it is a digital reporter. I'm going to read to you a little information about digital reporting, and then I'm going to explain to you why they advertise it as a side hustle for notaries. So, a digital reporter is a trained officiant who captures the verbatim record of a deposition or other legal proceedings via high quality digital audio equipment. Digital reporters are not shorthanded reporters as such stenographic equipment and lengthy training are not required. Okay, so that's a little bit of information about what digital reporting is. Um, I believe the reason they advertise it as a side hustle for notaries is because you are looking over legal documents. As a notary, you're already signing off on legal documents and you are an officiant. So, you already have training to be an officiant with your state as a notary. So they use all that and all those skills that you already have. And, that's why they use it to advertise this as a side hustle for notaries. I'm going to read to you as a little more information. The Veritex digital reporter team is made up of individuals drawn to the legal field and motivated to play a critical role in protecting the standards and maintaining the integrity of our litigation process. As independent contractors, our reporters are self starters and manage their time, equipment, and knowledge base. Our DR program, digital reporting program, provides a community of support and engagement for reporters old and new. There is some more information on this page. I'm going to let you all look over it if you decide to apply. I will say I did go and do an interview for this company doing digital reporting a long time ago. It does require some investment, not a large amount, but it does require some initial investment. But this is a good side hustle for notaries when business is slow or if you just need an additional stream of income as a notary. I do have other ways to make money as a notary on my channel, which I'll link in the description. For instance, I'm a remote online notary, and I made a complete video about that. So I'll link that information as well. But yeah, I think this is a good side hustle. When I did the interview, as far as I can remember, they said you can make between $30 to $50 an hour with this company. If you look on ZipRecruiter or Indeed, you'll see in your local area you can make between $20 to $50 an hour digital reporting as well. So it's a good little income, as far as I know, there aren't even a lot of jobs, career jobs paying that much an hour. So this is something good for notaries to hop on. If you have any experience specifically with this company, please feel free to leave it in the description. If you have any experience digital reporting in general, please feel free I said description, I meant comments. If you have any experience in general with digital reporting, leave that in the comments as well. I'm going to leave all the links to everything in the description box. But yeah, once again, thank you all for watching my video, and until next time.